How to download your reviews on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download your reviews on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then click settings and go down, click download your information, click deselect all and then just you need to find this one, views, click on it and go down, select data range and format and media quality and then click create file and then just wait here until file created and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.